this. Is it just gonna
Hello.
Yeah, you want to
Hey.
put the lid on.
Making
It's
pasta.
basically
Watch this.
It's saran wrap because we don't want it exposed to air because it'll dry.
Wow.
So just put the lid
Great.
on top of it. It'll be good. All right, that's looking good. Now we're going in. We're ready to roll.
No pun intended. Ready to roll?
Ready to roll right through that. Switch sides. I'm gonna be on this side. Yeah. We got twice through on this one. So back in.
Is this yours?
No,
That's mine, I think.
That's yours. Oh, all right.
All
Okay.
right. Now we can go to one. Go through again. My job will become more relevant in a moment. I'm gonna now on two. And now three. Yep.
My favorite.
Oh, you made these, don't you? He knows what he's doing. You know that. Did you
Are
start?
you doubting me, Bubs?
Yeah, he doesn't think it's gonna be enough.
Never ever.
Oh, there's only one of four.
Ich würde das nie machen.
Six. Getting there. Mom, could you get one of those
They're good, yeah?
baking trays? No. Yep. Do it that way.
I'm good at math, but I don't like math.
This kind of thing?
Yes. Perfect.
Oh, what's going on over
Now,
there?
one of the fun parts about this, because we're getting to that point now.
Oh, this
Wanna
is a
wake it
big
up a little bit?
production here.
Close.
Slap that dough.
Yeah. This is just a matter of like we're trying to wake it up a little bit. All right, right back through.
Der Mensch ended up being spaghetti.
Awesome.
Oh.
Do you have scissors?
I
Can you, and make sure you wash them as well.
Yeah, I know. Oh, you gotta find it first?
Oh yeah.
We're getting there. All right, this is the last one for the thickness.
Tar, Baba.
Isn't that going in?
Nice. Go to the, and that's where that is. I'm back here.
Take it easy.
Do you have the scissors? Awesome. Can I have those? Can you wash them as well?
She's taking a video.
Okay.
All right.
Alrighty, now, hold that out. We're gonna add this guy.
Do you have your spoon? This way, and one there.
Now we're going through this one right here. Scissors?
Disinfect?
Okay.
Disinfect.
May I have this?
You there, just gonna.
Watch out for a second. Okay, here. Alright.
Whoa, it's so thick and cool.
Now it's looking like pasta.
Yeah, I've got to say.
Alright.
Like pasta.
Beautiful. Alright, we'll cut it right there.
Gotta get you one of those hangers.
That's why we find them sometimes in the stores, bundled up like that.
Yep.
Thank you.
Love that.
Right there.
My goodness. Can you come over to
Didn't
Germany?
you ever do that?
Not this little, but the
And
tiny
that
one.
last bit, yeah.
I thought you did that with him once.
I did it
Perfect.
once. I had one of those machines.
I know, but you never.
My first pasta.